How to fix QANDA app not working issues. First of all, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable, as a weak or slow network can prevent the app from loading properly. Next, close the app completely and reopen it to refresh its system and fix temporary glitches. Now go to your device settings, open apps, select QANDA, and tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing errors. After that, check for updates in the Play Store and install the latest version of QANDA, as outdated apps often face crashes or login problems. If the app is still not working, restart your device to clear background processes and free up system memory. You can also ensure there is enough storage available, as low storage can affect app performance. If all else fails, uninstall the app and reinstall it again to fix corrupted files and restore smooth functionality. Finally, log in with your account and allow all required permissions to use the app without interruptions. Now you know how to fix QANDA app not working issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.